here. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Toyosi Gregory-Jonah, and on this channel I talk about everything fashion, motherhood, lifestyle. Also with bits and bobs of things that I buy, things that I like, and I share my impression and my experience with some of these things, so that whenever you are faced with this, with making a decision about buying any of these items, my video can come in handy and help you make an informed decision. So without wasting much time, I recently bought a few things from Amazon, and I thought it would be nice for me to share with you guys. We'll unbox it together, and then of course make a first impression. I usually buy loads of things from Amazon. This is not the first time, but I just thought it would be nice to collate the items that I got recently that are all from Amazon instead of in separate videos. So yeah, the first item that I got from Amazon recently is this Phillip juicer. This Phillip juicer is called the Phillip's centrifugal juicer, and it says on the box it says compact design. I don't know if you guys can see, it says compact design. So yeah, I'm just gonna say a few things before I start to unbox this juicer. I've wanted a juicer for a very long time, but most of them are usually too big and difficult to clean. Please read my word, too big and difficult to clean. So when I was looking for this one, I was very particular about wanting something that is compact, also because my kitchen is quite small and I already have quite a number of kitchen equipment. So I wanted something that was small, that was compact, that was easy to clean. That was my watchword when I started to search for this. And then I stumbled upon this, and then I read reviews. A couple of people said, oh, it's quite compact. It allows them to, maximize their space in their kitchen, and it's easy to wash. So I ended up taking this one. Like I said, it says Phillip's centrifugal juicer. I will probably open it up and then find the model number, but it just says maximum juice, minimum force. Right, so that was my own issue, and I'm just going to pop it open. Right on top here it says it is quick clean, 500 watts, and 1.5 liters. So I'm trying to pop it open. So of course the manual, I don't know what that is. That's like a cup. That's like the top of it. Okay, I think that's like the last thing in there. I'm just going to take off some of these things. Okay, so this is like the top of the juicer. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, guys, this is so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute, and it looks like something that will be really easy to to manage, to clean, and all of that. So we need to, where is the manual? We need to read through how to assemble it. So guys, one of the things that a lot of people said about this juicer is that it is very easy to assemble, and so I've just popped that bit on top right here because I see that it has that, and it's already coming together. Oh wow, wow, you guys, can't believe this. My goodness, you guys, this is the this is the entire juicer. This is the entire juicer, guys, and it's so compact. Like, this thing looks like something I can even throw in my bag. And then it comes with this cup. I'm thinking that this is the cup that you put by the vent or by the tap to, like, get the juice out, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else. This is everything that is in the box. I just want to look into the box to see if there's anything left. Nothing left, just the mold, and pretty much that is it. So if this juicer says that it is compact, because that's like the main thing, it says it's a compact design. I agree that it is totally compact, very compact. This is like something I would throw in my bag. I would never think that a juicer would be this small. And this is perfect for if you have a small kitchen like my one, and also if you do not like the force that comes with struggling with the sieve that holds the shaft. Is always a problem, is always a struggle. But with this, I think it is amazing. I feel like my first impression, this fits the name perfectly. everything that I read about the review is exactly what I've seen. They said it's easy to assemble. It looks really, really cute. This looks cute. This looks like something I would throw in my handbag, you know. And you know, aside from that, it looks like something that would be easy to clean also, because the parts go off like super easy. Let me open it again. The parts like separate super easy, and then that bit goes off, that bit goes off, and I think this also goes off. Yeah, that should go off pretty much. So I think this is a perfect one. It fits everything. Like this, like it's all the notes that I was concerned about, you know, about being able to clean it easily and all of that. I'll figure that out and see if that comes off. But it looks like something that will be really, really easy to handle. And you know, I'm so happy about this purchase. Like I said, I paid $69.99 for this, and I'll put a link down below. So yeah, on to the second item, guys. So this second item came in this box. If you know Amazon, they usually have these boxes. So I'm just going to pop it over. I have an idea of what is in there. I'm not going to say that I do not know. So I ordered Neewer Ringlight. So in a bid to upgrade my videos, you know, the way my content comes out, I've been trying to change up a few things. So, you know, I had a ring light before, but it was too much and it was too big. So I got rid of that. And then I just reordered this one off of Amazon. Oh, so that's the second item. And as you can see, it's a ring light. This is Neewer 12-inch inner, 14-inch outer LED ring light. And light stand, 36 watts. 5500K lighting kit with soft tube color, filter, hot shoe, blah blah blah. Anyway, so I bought this because the one that I had before was big and it was always falling off. So Amazon says that there's a newer version of this particular ring light. I was so tempted to buy the newer version, but after asking my makeup artist associates and friends, they were like, the ones that are older are always brighter. As I just opened the box, I found a remote control, the power packs, this phone holder in the container. There's also this brown tube thing. I'm guessing that this is the light stand. Let's open it. So yeah, this is the light stand, and it looks quite sturdy. It looks really, really strong. One of the challenges I had with the one that I had before was that the stand was very flimsy. It was always toppling over. Like, I hated it. My phone would fall off so many times. I was just so upset about it, you know. But this one seems really, really strong. Really, really strong. This is super compact, guys. Like these days, because my house is, you guys, if you live in the UK, you know we don't have that much space to play around and just clutter your house. These days, I'm very conscious of the size of things that I'm buying. I would always look for the smaller sizes, as far as it would do the same job. Because I don't have space to put all of these things. So I have to be very intentional about the size of things that I'm ordering. So, right, I've just brought it out and this is how it looks. Then from inside the bag, you have that's like the manual. Then you have these tubes that you use to cover the sides of the light. Now the one that I had before had four each of these, so you can tell that I think that one was 18 inches. This is 12. Had four of each color, but this one has 2 of each color. It came in this bag, and I like this carry bag because it's strong, and then if I'm moving about with it, I can easily just grab my thing and I can be on the move. So basically, this is supposed to go on there, I guess. Just going to try and fix it. Okay, that goes in there, properly fitted. Then that one. Push that in. Okay, I think that's pretty much how that is supposed to be. And you guys would agree with me that this looks really, really compact. I'm just going to try and then put this down and put this light on top of it so that we can all see how it works out. I don't understand why this is opposite side. Don't know what to do. Oh, okay. Now I get it. So I need to loosen this and then keep pressing the opposite so it goes the other way. So it keeps going. Okay, yeah. So that is that. So the other lights, the other first ring light I had also, guys, this part was the part that used to just constantly fall off whenever I'm using it. Especially if you put a phone on here. For us that use big iPhones, like iPhone 11, 7 Plus, you know, the Plus iPhones, it was always a struggle. I'm just going to turn it on quickly so that you guys can see. Guys, so I know that this is, you know, opposite the camera, so it will be a bit, you know, the lighting will be funny, but this is how bright this thing goes. This thing is really, really bright, you guys. It's so bright. And then with the same knob that turns it on, you can reduce it. You can just dim it. Can you see? You can dim it and then you can turn it off with the same knob, or you can turn it on and then it comes back up. So I think this is really, really good. I like the fact that it's so compact. With my entire filming setup, I don't have a ring light in front of my camera. By the time I put this thing in front of my camera, it will be a lot different. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much that. Another thing that I found in the packaging is this adapter, or you can also call it horseshoe. So I think this one is the one that goes in here. Yeah, that's the one that goes in there and then holds the phone. So that goes in there and then I can screw the phone right on top of it like that. Can screw the phone right on top of there. This adapter, this phone holder is really good. It's good because it has two different screw points, so you can either use your phone in landscape or in portrait mode. So this is another way that you can screw your phone onto this adapter and then you can film in landscape. So as it is, where's my phone? I can film like that, or I can use it the other way and then film in landscape mode. Film in landscape mode. So, you know, it also comes with this remote shutter for your phone. I already have something like this, and I think that this is actually a very valuable item. If you're a content creator and you do not own this, no, you are wrong, because when there's nobody else to help you, or maybe you're using your phone, this would always come in handy. So guys, I've taken that off and I'm about to screw this soft tube. So I figured out this soft tube goes right on top of the tripod, like I, you know, rightly guessed. So it goes on top of the tripod and then you connect the ring light to it. You connect the ring light to it like so, right? And what this soft tube does is that this soft tube is quite bendable. So in case I want to bend, can you see? In case I want to bend the light, that soft tube allows me to be able to bend the light in whatever direction that I want. And I think this is such an ingenious idea. Like, you guys, this is so ingenious. Like, when I just discovered it and I'm like, wow, this is so good. Like, this allows you to bend it however you want without the light falling off, you know, and toppling off on you. So I think it's really, really good. It's really good. I'm so happy. I'm going to confirm how much I paid for this light, because I know that because they have a newer version, this light got a little bit of discount. I think I got maybe £10. I'm not sure. I will confirm and I'll put the link down below. But I paid a little less than what I should have paid normally. Now, and I'm on Amazon Prime, so this was delivered to me for free the next day, and it's so good. I'm not going to say that, you know, I wasn't a bit worried when I ordered this item, but right now I am convinced that this is really good value for money. So if you're asking me what my impression is about this particular one, I think it's such an amazing addition to your content creation kit or your light setup to make things, you know, a lot better. And also, like my makeup associate said to me, I agree 100% that the older versions of these things are usually better, because they are the ones that, you know, they really did well. As they keep refining and refining, some things get changed and they may not be as strong, but I think this is really, really good. This is so good. So yeah, and I mentioned that he also has the yellow or the orange tube. In case you don't want to use this white one, you can switch it to this one. So this one gives like some sort of like a yellowish, a warm, you know, kind of tone when you use it. So it gives like that warm, you know, look that makeup artists always like. So I'm going to keep that, and I'm just so happy about my purchase. I'm really happy. I am. So yeah guys, that's basically the items. So to my recommendation, I honestly 100% recommend the 2 items that I've shown today. You know, if what you're looking for in a juicer is it being small and compact and easy to clean, easy to use, and not taking up too much space in your house, then this Phillip juicer is the option for you. I'm going to put a link down below. You can click on the link and easily just, you know, add to cart from Amazon. Also with the Ringlight, thank you so much to all my makeup people, Makeup by Ashabi, and then Beauty and Brushes in the UK. Thank you for helping me, you know, making this recommendation and encouraging me to pick up this item. So this is my own recommendation. I'm saying that if you want a ring light that does the job and doesn't fall on you, this compact one that I've just gotten, I'm going to also put the link down below, is the one you want to consider. So yeah guys, that's basically my impression, and that's my word, that's my recommendation. I 100% recommend these items. This wasn't sponsored in any way. These are items that I use my money to buy because I need them, because I need to use them, and then I'm sharing my impression and my opinion with you guys. Thank you so much guys. This is basically my first episode of my Amazon must-haves. What that means is that I'm going to continue to film like different episodes of the things that I buy from Amazon, because I'm always buying from Amazon. And you know, a lot of people have reached out to me and they said, oh Toyosi, I bought this item because of your review and I have no regrets. So it means I'm doing something right. So I'm going to film, you know, more episodes of these Amazon must-haves, so that you guys know the things that I'm using. You know, it could be as little as my basic household equipment, kitchen equipment, whatever it is that I buy from Amazon, I'm definitely going to share. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be the first to know. I am at Jonah on all social media platforms. Hit the follow button and let's connect. Until next time guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.